Hi, my name's Rich. What's your name?
How do you do? My name's Peter.
Nice to meet you. I'm from the United States and I live in San Diego in California. Where are you from?
I'm from Cologne, Germany. What's your job?
I'm a teacher and I work online every day. What do you do?
That's interesting. I'm a bank teller. What do you like doing in your free time?
I like playing golf and tennis in my free time. How about you?
I enjoy reading and hiking on the weekends. What are you doing now?
At the moment, I'm working on my website. What are you doing right now?
I'm having a conversation with you. Why are you tired?
I'm tired today because I got up early. I usually get up at 6 o'clock. When do you usually get up?
I usually get up at 6. At the moment, I'm learning English at an English school in town.
I think it's great you're learning English. How often do you study English?
I go to classes every day.
Did you study English yesterday?
Yes, I studied English yesterday morning.
How about tomorrow? Are you going to study English tomorrow?
Of course I'm going to study English tomorrow. But I do other things.
Okay, I know that studying English isn't the most important thing in the world. What else are you going to do this week?
I'm going to visit some friends, and we're going to have a barbecue. What are you going to do?
I'm going to attend a concert on Saturday. Do you have any special plans?
No, I'm going to relax. What did you do last weekend?
Last weekend, I went to visit my friends in San Francisco. What did you do?
I played soccer with some friends.
How often do you do that?
We play soccer every weekend.
When is the next time you are going to do that?
We're going to play next Sunday.
Thank you for talking to me. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Have a good one.